Yo, what's up everyone? It's AAA, and today we're diving deep into the world of AI. Not just the theoretical sci-fi stuff, but the actual tangible ways AI is changing the game across industries right now. We're talking robots building cars, algorithms diagnosing diseases, and even AI writing music. It's wild, right? This isn't some distant future, this is happening now. So buckle up, because we're about to explore how artificial intelligence is transforming the way we work, live, and interact with the world around us. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk manufacturing. Imagine a factory floor where robots work side by side with humans, but instead of just doing repetitive tasks, these robots are learning and adapting on the fly. AI-powered vision systems are checking for defects with a level of detail that would make human inspectors jealous. And because these systems are constantly learning, they're getting better and faster all the time. Predictive maintenance is a game changer. AI analyzes data from sensors on machines to predict when they're likely to fail. This means smoother operations, reduced costs, and a more efficient manufacturing process overall. The bottom line is, AI is revolutionizing manufacturing, making it faster, safer, and more efficient than ever before. Next up, let's talk about how AI is transforming healthcare. We're talking about algorithms that can analyze medical images like X-rays and MRIs to detect diseases like cancer at earlier stages, often before human doctors even notice anything. Think about the implications of that. Earlier detection often means better treatment outcomes. AI is also being used to develop new drugs and therapies at a pace that was unimaginable just a few years ago. Virtual health assistants powered by AI can answer your questions, schedule appointments, and even provide basic medical advice, all from your smartphone. This is huge for making healthcare more accessible, especially for people in remote areas or those who have difficulty accessing traditional healthcare services. Surgeons are now using AI-assisted robotic systems to perform incredibly precise procedures with faster recovery times and fewer complications. From diagnosis to treatment to ongoing care, AI is transforming healthcare at an incredible pace, making it more precise, personalized, and accessible for everyone. Okay, let's shift gears now and talk about transportation. You've probably heard about self-driving cars, right? Well, they're not just a futuristic fantasy anymore. They're on our roads right now, and they're getting better all the time thanks to AI. These vehicles use sensors, cameras, and a whole lot of processing power to navigate their surroundings, make decisions, and hopefully get you from point A to point B safer and more efficiently than a human driver. We're also talking about smart traffic management systems that use AI to optimize traffic flow, reduce congestion, and make our commutes less of a headache. Imagine a world where traffic lights adapt to real-time traffic conditions, or where your car automatically chooses the fastest route based on up-to-the-minute data. AI is optimizing delivery routes, tracking shipments in real time, and even predicting potential delays before they happen. So, whether you're commuting to work, shipping a package across the country, or just trying to get around town, AI is changing the game in transportation, making it safer, faster, and more efficient. Now, you might be thinking, okay, AI is great for these technical industries, but what about creative fields? Surely AI can't replace human creativity, right? Well, it's complicated. AI is starting to make waves in creative industries, and it's pretty mind-blowing. We're talking about AI-powered tools that can generate stunning artwork, compose original pieces of music, and even write scripts for movies and TV shows. And the crazy thing is, some of this AI-generated content is actually good. But here's the thing. AI isn't replacing human creativity, at least not yet. Instead, it's becoming a powerful tool for creators. Imagine having an AI assistant that can help you overcome writer's block, generate different design concepts, or even compose different musical melodies based on your input. AI can help us push the boundaries of what's possible, explore new ideas, and create things we never could have imagined on our own. From factories to hospitals, from our cars to our creative endeavors, AI is no longer some futuristic concept. It's here, it's real, and it's changing the world around us in profound ways. And while there are still challenges to overcome, like addressing ethical concerns and ensuring that AI benefits everyone, one thing is clear: AI is here to stay, As AI technology continues to evolve at a breakneck pace, its impact on our lives will only grow. So buckle up, because the AI revolution is just getting started. Now, I want to hear from you. What industry do you think AI will transform next? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.